Welcome back to Moto Explorer. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Honda Fury, a chopper-inspired cruiser that blends bold styling with Honda's signature performance and reliability. If you're searching for a bike that turns heads and offers a smooth, powerful ride, the Fury might just be the one for you. Let's dive in. At the heart of the Honda Fury is a 1,312cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. With its strong low-end torque and smooth power delivery, this engine provides a thrilling yet manageable ride, whether you're cruising through the city or out on the open road. The Fury features a stretched-out frame with a low seat height, giving it a sleek and aggressive stance. The long wheelbase and raked front end deliver that classic chopper look while maintaining excellent handling and stability for a variety of riding conditions. When it comes to comfort, the Fury doesn't disappoint. Its relaxed riding position, well-padded seat, and compliant suspension make for a smooth and enjoyable ride, whether you're taking short trips or heading out on long cruises. In terms of design, the Honda Fury is a true standout. Its minimalist bodywork, high-mount handlebars, and iconic chopper lines make it a work of art on two wheels. Chrome accents, a sculpted fuel tank, and bold paint options complete the look, ensuring it turns heads wherever it goes. The Honda Fury is a perfect choice for riders who want a stylish, powerful cruiser that combines classic chopper aesthetics with modern performance. Thanks for tuning into Moto Explorer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what do you think of the Fury, and which bike should we feature next? Ride safe, and see you in the next one.